Where can you find your Discord password? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and conveniently find it. Watch until the end to discover a helpful tip. So let's get started. So first, guys, open the Discord app on your device and afterwards click on your profile icon right there in the bottom right corner. Access the settings by clicking the gear icon right here and tap on the account section here. Scroll down to the password tab, click on it and enter current password with the autofill feature. But if you don't have this feature or if you do not see the password, just go to your phone general settings right here, access the search tab and enter password manager. Right there we need the password manager and from the list find the Discord, click on it, enter your lock screen and tap on the arrow right there to continue. Click on the eye right here to view the password. Also, you can use Google Chrome Password Manager, but anyways, after completing all of these steps, you will easily be able to find your Discord password and if needed, copy it for use in other apps or on other devices. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to create more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.